Need to transfer music from one Samsung to another without re-downloading? This video shows 7 easy ways that work for all models, no hassle, no data loss. Let's dive in. Number 1. How to transfer music from Samsung to Samsung with one click. You don't have to worry about incompatibility issues anymore with Mobikin Transfer for mobile, and it is not time-consuming at all. This phone transfer program allows you to transfer music from Samsung to Samsung within 3 easy steps. The manual on how to transfer music or songs from Samsung to Samsung Galaxy with Mobikin Transfer for mobile. Step 1. Run the Slick tool on your computer. Install Mobikin Transfer for mobile on your computer first and open it. Then you'll see the initial interface of this program. Step 2. Link Samsung devices to PC. Pick up suitable USB cables to link the 2 Samsung phones to the computer. Then, after the detection, you'll see them on 2 sides of the window. Write their positions by clicking Flip if the recipient isn't your destination Samsung. Step 3. Transfer music from Samsung to Samsung. Mark the music option and then click the Start Copy button to start the transfer process. After a while, you'll find the transferred music on your new Samsung. How do I transfer music from my old Samsung to my new Samsung? With Mobikin Assistant for Android? Step 1. Download, install, and start the program. Then, connect your source Samsung to the computer via USB cable and enable USB debugging on it if you haven't done it before. Step 2. Go to Super Toolkit, Backup to tick on the music option and tap Browse to locate a folder on your computer for the songs. Then tap Backup to transfer all your songs from your source Samsung to your PC. Once done, disconnect this phone. Step 3. Link your destination Samsung to the computer and also go to the Super Toolkit page. Then tap Restore to mark the music option and click Restore again to get your desired songs you've just backed up on your computer to your new Samsung. Want to preview and transfer specific songs? Launch Assistant for Android and connect the source Samsung. Go to Music, select Songs, click Export to save to PC. Connect the target Samsung. Go to Music, click New, port the exported songs. Number 3. How do I transfer music from Samsung to Samsung using Smart Switch? Install and open Smart Switch on both devices. Tap Send data on the old phone. Receive data on the new. Choose cable or wireless. Select Custom Music, tap Transfer. Number 4. How to transfer music from Samsung to Samsung via Bluetooth. Step 1. Enable Bluetooth on both Samsung phones. Step 2. Pair the devices. Accept the passcode if prompted. Step 3. On the source phone, select Music Share via Bluetooth, tap OK. Number 5. How to transfer songs from one Samsung to another Samsung with NFC. Step 1. First, you should ensure that both Samsung phones have built-in NFC. Then go to Settings, Wireless, and Networking, or on your source Samsung and switch on the NFC button and touch Android Beam to turn it on. Step 2. Do the same on the target Samsung. Tap phones back to back until you feel a vibration or sound. Step 3. Select Music, tap Transfer, OK, to send files. Number 6. How to copy songs from Galaxy to Galaxy with Quick Share. On the sending Samsung, open File Manager or Music app and select Songs. Long press, tap Share, then choose Quick Share. Select the receiving device and tap Accept. There. Wait for the transfer confirmation. Number 7. How to move music from Samsung to Samsung with WhatsApp. On old Samsung WhatsApp, select a contact. Tap Attachment Audio or Document, choose Music File. On new Samsung, download the file from chat. Find it in Downloads or WhatsApp folder to play or move.